Roberts Home Services and Commercial Building Washing. Professional, insured and committed to your satisfaction. Maintaining the integrity of your home's roof is crucial for both aesthetic appeal and long-term investment value. Regular roof washing offers numerous benefits, especially for homes in the Villages, Florida. Not only does it protect your home from the elements, but it can also have significant financial and insurance advantages. Here's why you should make roof washing a priority. Enhances curb appeal and aesthetics. In sunny climates like the Villages, roofs are often exposed to various elements such as algae, mold, mildew, and dirt. These substances can accumulate over time, leading to an unsightly, discolored roof. Regular roof washing removes these contaminants, keeping your roof looking new and pristine. Roof cleaning not only enhances appearance but also helps to protect your roof structure. Algae, moss, and mold can weaken the shingles, causing premature deterioration. If left unchecked, these contaminants can seep into the roofing materials, leading to rot and leaks. Florida's harsh weather conditions, ranging from heavy rain to intense sun exposure, can take a toll on your roof. Protect your family's future, clean your roof today. Contact Roberts Home Services and Commercial Building Washing. Call us at 352-321-7033 or www.rhscleaning.com.